Hello and welcome back. As I like fiddling with LEDs, and basically we all like LEDs to some extent, the main part where the LEDs come into picture is home decor and to go even deeper, wall lamps. But what if we can control our wall lamps with our smartphone, change its color anytime and rotate it to any degree as possible? So hang on, in this video I will fulfill all the requirements mentioned above. So let's start with the build. First, let's build the enclosure for the wall lamp. I took around 6 old useless so-called Eusenthro pens, used them, then adjusted the scale at the middle point around 6.5 centimeter, marked the point for the first one and then repeated the process for the remaining ones. With the help of my pliers and a bit of force, I started ripping the pens apart into two pieces and then repeated the same process for the remaining ones. I took a 5 mm thick plywood, marked a square of around 7 centimeter cross 7 centimeter, leaving some margin for the pieces of pens to fit in, and started the tedious task of slaughtering the plywood, which took around 20 minutes of hard work to complete. After that was complete, I placed four pieces of earlier ripped apart pens on the piece of plywood and then glued them together firmly. I replicated the same four pen structure, glued them together, and took the distance measurement between the top and the bottom before fixing all the pens in a cubical structure. I glued the pillars between the top and the bottom squares, and well, the enclosure of the lamp was complete. Well, the completed enclosure of the lamp was not exactly a cube, but somewhere between a cube and a cuboid because I suck at making shapes, and in the end, it will look just fine. Heading towards the base of the lamp, which has to be firm and sturdy so that it can withstand the weight and does not fall off. I had cut the wooden pieces earlier and took a piece of a sandpaper, furnished all the wooden pieces, and sharpened their edges a bit. Now the question arises which motor to use for angle control or rotation of lamp. The best choice is to use a heavy duty servo motor like MG995. I preferred the circular blade over the other ones, fixed it with a screw tightly at the top using my screwdriver. Marked a spot at the center of the wooden piece and drilled a hole so that the servo motor completely fits inside it. I measured the distance between the side plates of the base and the servo motor, took off the side plate and marked a spot on it so that our microcontroller fits inside it without any marginal distance gap. After gluing the side plates to the main plates or the servo consisting plate, the base looks a bit firm and sturdier now. I slotted another small piece of 3 mm thickness plywood of 7 centimeter cross 7 centimeter, keeping some marginal distance, and then fixing the servo motor's blade to the wooden piece which will rotate the lamp. Fixing the lamp enclosure on the piece of wood, it looks even better now. It was time to use some wrapping for the enclosure. So I took an acrylic sheet marked according to the dimensions of the lamp enclosure and fragmented some pieces of acrylic sheet. After taping and gluing everything together, the mechanical build was basically complete. And now it was time to test the rotation and the degree control feature of the lamp. As you can see, the test is successful. It covers the entire degree range from 0 to 180 degrees, which will be perfectly suited for wall lamps. With this feature, you can adjust the wall lamp to any desired degree remotely without touching it. Let's dive into the electronics used to make it automated. The main role is played by the HC05 Bluetooth module, which will use a serial communication to communicate with our smartphones, and controlling unit is obviously an Arduino. The application built here is easy to understand and interpret and does not require any rocket science, and it is the same as the another video back then, so I will provide you a link in the I button to watch that video first. Now the enhanced feature or the increased feature is the degree control. You can see that we can adjust the degree for the lamp of any value between 30 degrees and 180 degrees. So you can adjust it between 30, 45, 90, 120, 180, etc. Inside the enclosure, we will fix some RGB LEDs and wire them all up in some wiring scheme. The wiring scheme is the same as the video earlier. I will provide you the link in the I button or in the description. Let's test the shade and the color adjustment feature of our lamp. The color and the shade adjustment feature also seem to work perfectly, and we can adjust basically any color. Finally, the last step is to plug in one end of the cable to the laptop's USB port and the other end to the microcontroller's board, and take an overview of our lamp. So all in all, this wall lamp has many features and is versatile. Can be controlled by your smartphone, has many colors, can be adjusted automatically, and perfect for your home decor. The code as well as the app is given in the link in the description. Like, share and subscribe if you like the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for more videos like this.